Have you noticed that almost every major company is talking about artificial intelligence? From Microsoft to Google, Amazon, and Meta, billions of dollars are being invested in AI. But here's the big question. Can everyday investors actually profit from the AI boom? Let's find out. First, it's important to understand that AI isn't just one company. It's an entire industry. Some companies build AI chips. Others create AI software. Some provide cloud computing, while others build the massive data centers that power AI. Think of AI like the gold rush. During the gold rush, not everyone became rich by finding gold. Many successful businesses made money by selling the tools people needed. Today's AI revolution works in a similar way. Some companies build the picks and shovels, the chips, servers, cloud platforms, and infrastructure that make AI possible. But here's where many beginners make a mistake. They invest simply because a company says it uses AI. That doesn't automatically make it a good investment. The smartest investors ask a different question. Is this company actually making money from AI? That's what matters. Another important fact: AI stocks can be very volatile. Prices sometimes rise much faster than company profits. That means excitement alone can push prices higher, but expectations can also change quickly. That's why successful investors focus on research instead of hype. They look at revenue, profits, competition, and long-term growth, not just social media headlines. So, can AI make you rich? Maybe. But history shows that building wealth usually comes from patience, learning, and making informed decisions, not chasing the latest trend. The AI revolution is real. But smart investing is about understanding businesses, not following excitement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join DollarVest for simple videos about investing, AI, cryptocurrency, and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.